Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop, and as you can see, we're going to do a walkthrough now for Kyle Gray's latest deck called the 22 Archangels Oracle. The artwork is by Jennifer Hawkwood. So let's have a look. I haven't actually had a look at this, so I'm seeing it with first eyes, the same as you are. Right. So on the back, the Archangels are a divine legion of angels who have been charged to serve, protect, heal, and guide humanity to wholeness. This 22 card deck creates a bridge between the realms so that you can tap into the Archangels' powerful supportive forces, and they can help you live with purpose, experience healing, and ultimately step into the most authentic version of yourself. Kyle is a spiritual teacher, the best-selling author of 8 books, and yeah, he is actually in decks. Kyle's decks too. Right, may the light that was created and curated here today be for and towards the highest good of all. Okay, and you get a little booklet that comes with it. Usually the inspiration to start with. Introduction. How to use oracle cards. And how to do the readings. Some spreads. And then you have the angels themselves. So you'll have the name of them, the message, and your message. So there's quite a lot there actually. So it's a very in-depth explanation. Okay, so these are them. Let's have a look at the cards themselves. That's the little box it comes in. Oh, good. So you've actually got the keywords on the cards as well. So you've got the explanation, so you could just turn the card over. So amethyst, metamorphosis. You are in a vortex of deep transformation. Surrender to the process that's unfolding. I think we all need to do a bit of that at the moment. Unfortunately, it's quite a transformative time for humanity. The world has gone a little bit crazy. Beautiful cards, aren't they? Quite thick quality. They're beautiful. All in A to Z these were. Okay, so they are the 22 Archangels Oracles. And let's have that one there. Henny, you're embraced by love. Let love reach where it has never reached before. You see? Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for your time. And let me know in the comments if you've been using them already. Let others know how you're getting on with them. And thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.